If you clicked on my channel expecting a tech review, this is not a tech review. This is quite the opposite of a tech review, but I was just wanting to maybe make a review on the package that I got today. This is all a part of Max's SuperSize Ultra Value Bundle Pack. I think that's the name. I think. This is $114 value and it's down to $64. Now this is not sponsored, but I will have a link in the description, and maybe Max's, you can sponsor me. Anyways, let's go over what you actually get for $64. So we're gonna start off with the protein cookies. These are the muscle meal cookies. You can choose the flavors. I'll put a list of flavors on the screen. And you can see I chose double choc crunch. Now I did actually try one of these this morning when I got the package. These have 24 grams of protein in them, but they're not really low calories, so I would be kind of careful of these. But they are good as a protein snack when you are craving that sweet tooth. And they also threw in this extra one, this cookies and cream, which I have not tried, but I will try at some point, maybe tomorrow. Anyways, that's that stuff. Those are the cookies. Actually, I'll put them back here. They're actually pretty aesthetic. Okay, so they also throw in this completely free, this shaker. And let's just open this up. I'm so shocked with the actual value that you're getting with all of this. Like, you get all of these cookies, which is worth who knows how much, and you get the shaker included for free, and then you have this massive tub we'll look at in a second. And we just open this up, and there we go, a little springy bit. And here is the shaker. And yeah, I mean, it doesn't even feel cheap. It just feels like your average shaker, but like, honestly, I mean, it's fine. It's a shaker, for God's sake. You're gonna be drinking out of this, you know, nothing else. Okay, now let's quickly get over to the big boy. This, I was not actually knowing that it would be this big, actually. I usually spend $60 on this protein tub. Now, this is not just protein powder. This is like a whole formula, so it does a lot more. But this is, like, I still get your protein powders and stuff. Like, this isn't a full replacement, but like, I'm still gonna use this, but I'm also gonna use dedicated protein powders for things, you know? This is literally $60. And look at the size difference, that's crazy. Or maybe this is only half filled, that would be really funny. Let's do a little unboxing and have a look. So we're just gonna take this off. This is not our usual tech unboxing, I must say. And I got the chocolate fudge flavor, so yeah, and let's peel this top off. Okay, and bang. Okay, so I was right. It is actually about half filled. Now, where's the scooper? Is there a scooper in there? Hello? Oh, no, there is. Okay, I was like, where's the scoop? So this is the scoop. Now, depending on your goals, you will need to go for different scoops. So if we take a look at the back here, take a look at the back. So you see on the back, we sort of have this table of our scoop information. So, I mean, if you're bulking, you definitely want to go for the ender bits, which is like here. These two ones is good if you're like bulking, because let's say you go for the full serving, and I think if you go for the full serving, there's about what, 14? So that's pretty good. So you get 71 grams of protein, 270 grams of carbs, 6.4 grams of creatine, and 1,680 calories. So that's pretty good. I'm not sure how many scoops I'm going to do. I'm just gonna go with 4 scoops, and I think I'm gonna put it in milk. So we've got no milk. I'm just gonna use water, and I'm gonna hope that this is good. It does smell really good. Wow. This is either gonna be amazingly good or shockingly bad. I'm hoping that it's good though. It doesn't smell too bad. It's pretty good. The taste is probably 7 out of 10. If you're interested, I have a link in the description. It's actually very good. Very good bundle, very good value, very good tasting. Once again, this video is not sponsored. I just have a link in the description if you want to use it. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.